After our recent success with CSF, we went ahead and decided to do a couple more things to the FL5 since we have the bumper off. And one of those is to install a front tow hook to the car. We didn't want to get, the run-of-the-mill tow hooks. We actually wanted to get a legit tow hook that's run on the HRC cars. And we went ahead, got lucky, ordered it from the Dream Store, got it here. Lewis is actually in full flight to...
I'm actually working this time?
Yeah, it's actually working. To install this on the FL5. We're gonna go ahead and see what it takes to mock this up and put it on. Now, there are a few other people that have had this tow hook. We're gonna slightly do it a little bit different. We kind of go off trail here from time to time. But join us for the ride. If you guys are interested in this tow hook, we can source it for you. Again, hit us up on the website or hit us up on the DMs. We can do that for you as well. And now again, the tow hook that we got is straight from HRC, guys. I mean, if you've seen my car out in the wild, you know that I rock the rear tow hook for the car. And now we're gonna rock the front one. All right, we find ourselves a little bit knee deep into this project here. All of this, guys, just to install a tow hook. But again,
it's been like a 4-hour time lapse if you're doing that.
We already had the bumper off because we were working on this CSF dual oil cooler kit, and I got the bright idea to order the tow hook that comes straight off of the HRC race cars, and here it is. Now I'm gonna pull out the whole entire kit in a second, but it does involve having to drill right here into the crash beam, which is what Lewis is gonna do right now. But this is the whole kit right here. Look at this right here. Straight from Honda. Ooh,
That's the sticker you use.
That's the one. But yeah, this is a legit tow strap. They use these on their TCR cars. They use them on, a variety of cars. But as you see here, this big bolt, which is going to go right through the crash beam.
Yeah, we have to go this way.
Okay.
It's going to stick up.
Oh, yeah. So again, this is a little bit of uncharted territory here for us. We've never really done something like this. But we'll see what it looks like once we're done. And all Lewis is doing right now is he's just punching a starting point for this crash beam here. Make sure, again, you got the right type of drill bits, because if not, you're gonna have a tough time handling this. All right, Lewis. Wait, doesn't it go on the inside though?
Yeah.
Oh boy. All right, can we show them the bolt real quick before you lose it? Now, to make this whole apparatus safe, HRC gives you the actual the lag bolt?
Yeah, the inner part.
And they also give you this inner part, which will hold more rigidity within the crash beam. That way, when there is actual weight, when the car's weight is being tugged on it, it will be able to hold it, and then I'm assuming, right, so it won't bend. Just kind of give it more structural rigidity. But yeah, this toe strap should look pretty cool once we're done. Just trust the process here, boys. Just watch us. Let Lewis cook real quick, and we'll check back in a few minutes. All right, and all these parts here that come in the kit, looks like they're all galvanized. That way they won't rust once you install them and you, again, are faced with the elements. It's another nice little thing here that HRC gives you with these kits. Again, this isn't rocket science here, but at the same time, it does take a little bit of knowing what you're doing, because you got to kind of mock this up a couple times, make sure it pokes out right here, because we were going to cut the actual plastic, but we didn't want to go that route, so we kind of came a few inches out. I'll point out right here. See right here, we're gonna come out right in this area here. This is why you need to get yourself a trusty labor assistant. Yep, Morris for the help. Now the pain in the arse part here is that you got to massage this bar, that black bar that we showed you a second ago. It's got to make its way through, and that's the hard part. But see, with all the right tools, guys, makes your life a lot easier. Now let's see if we can shoot this right here in real time. How you say, Lewis? Yeah, look at that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and film this right here, real time, one shot deal. Lewis is gonna put the freshie on. I was gonna roll the freshie in the back, but why not? Let's just roll it in the front. No, I'm just kidding. You know, guys, just like TJ Hunt has Calvin, Lewis has Morris. So get yourself a Morris or a Calvin. And we continue. All right.
Now we're back. What happened to the nut?
And it's gone. Just torque it till the top bolt snaps, and then you're good. How much pounds of torque, Lewis?
It's a nylon that ain't coming out.
I don't think it's coming out at all.
I think this is more solid than your actual car.
I think this is more solid than the rear one, to be honest with you. All right, guys, after a lot of cutting, prodding, shifting, moving, banging out, we've gone ahead and finished up the toe strap here. We still need to put the bumper back on, but full disclosure, guys, you are going to lose this piece, and we believe it's really there just to kind of provide a little bit of rigidity on the bumper in case you ever get an accident. But if you're gonna run the strap, you either need to do a lot of cutting in this area here and up in this area here. We have it flipped upside down because the clips go here, and what holds these clips is that. So again, as you can see here, this is where those clips would go, right in here, and these holes in here, and the way it's set up, it just won't fit. So we decided to scrap it. It shouldn't be a big deal, and we're gonna put the bumper on next, and we should be ready to go. Here it is. I don't know, Lewis, what do you think?
Tough.
You know, definitely with the vents,
Yeah.
definitely with the whole setup with the lip. I mean, the car has really come together. Looks really nice. Tow hook not included. But yeah, this thing, and if you're asking, will this thing work? I'm gonna say yes. All right, guys, this is gonna conclude this short but quick install of the HRC front tow hook kit. Not necessarily for the FL5. Oh, as a matter of fact, should we show them?
Oh, what, the car?
We should show them.
Oh, yeah.
All right, hold on. We're about to outro. One second. What we did to the front of this car real quick. And then we're gonna show you what the mad scientist has done to the inside of this car.
Could you even see it?
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's lightening up. Look at that. Twinning. Chee! HRC boys in the house. Yeah, went ahead and added the front HRC tow strap to this car. Obviously the FL5 is gonna have the front and rear. This one's only gonna rock the front because God forbid if he should cut up a perfectly good rear bumper on a GSR to put that toe strap, because he does have that toe point right underneath the license plate.
I do want to cut the bumper, Loki. Just to do like the port.
Come on, guys. 100 likes.
Oh, let me see the sticker. How big that is.
100 likes and he'll cut the bumper.
100
Morris will do it too for him. He'll just eyeball it. Anywho, we'll have to wait another day to show you guys exactly what Lewis has done to the drivetrain of this car now. Literally, it literally screams. If you guys have been with us for the long haul, you would know that his SI used to scream as well. And now this guy now has made this car scream. And look, he just wants to show you guys. Look, he wants to show you guys that it screams. Again, guys, I know we haven't finished the FL5 video, but yeah, man, we're really looking forward to getting this thing back out on the track after what he's done to it. You can kind of hear it. You can hear it. Woo! All right, what he's done to the car is he's put in a set of PPG gears to his L15 swapped transmission. But you can hear that. That sounds so dope. Sounds so good. So again, looking forward to taking this thing out on the track pretty soon. That sounds so good, man. Anywho, okay, if you guys have stuck around this freaking long, you guys are warriors. We appreciate that. We appreciate everything. That was a little bit of a behind the scenes little R&D thing that Lewis is doing for the DC2 PPG gears. Unheard of. He used to run that in his SI. He just put it on to the L15 swap. That thing screams. Can't wait to hit our local track and put those gears to the test. Can't wait to put this car to the test with the new oil cooler. Super stoked for that. And again, I'll be real quick on this. Thanks again for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button. Hit those likes. Drop some more comments. Hit the bell button so you know when we're posting more content on the FL5, the DC2 L15 swap. You know, we got a couple other cars in the mix as well. And again, guys, from myself, from the trusty labor assistant who's not here right now, and from the 7-county, 8-state, internationally known Edge Master Lewis, we'll catch you guys out on the next one. Don't be asking questions, okay? All these questions.